At Greenspeed, we've never followed the rules. For years, you've known us for thinking differently, acting boldly, and developing sustainable solutions that challenge the status quo. And today, we're doing it again. Meet Greenspeed Probiotabs. Not just another eco-tab. Probiotabs are powered by probiotics, living microorganisms that work with nature, not against it, delivering a deeper, longer-lasting clean. One powerful solution for any environment, be it work, leisure, or public buildings. From daily maintenance to demanding hygiene zones, Probiotabs deliver consistent performance you can trust. One tab equals one application. No measuring, no waste, no complexity. Just drop, dissolve, and clean. Discover the full Probiotabs range now. Floor scrub, multi, and SAN. A new generation of sustainable cleaning solutions. Smart, effective, and unmistakably Greenspeed. Because caring for nature and humanity is our second nature. Greenspeed, crazy about cleaning.